I think there's two schools of thought in sort of product design in Silicon Valley. There's the sort of like design it until it's perfect and then release it. And then there's the like test and iterate sort of cycle. Where do you fall in this spectrum?
I grew up at Apple and we learned how to build experiences that people love. It's not like an MVP, but it's like an MLP. It's like the minimum lovable product. Yeah. So like, what's the bar, what's the threshold that people are gonna love it?
Yeah.
It's not like about viability, that's not quite enough for hardware. Right. And once you've achieved lovability, then it's good enough to ship. And sometimes that takes years. For us at Mill, it took us about 2 years to get to lovability. It's not quite move fast and break things. It's not quite spend 5 years to perfection. It's somewhere in the middle, which is ideal for a startup.
How did you measure love of the Mill 1.0 and be like, we got it?
Part of my product leadership skills is that gut and listening to your gut. And like you wake up in the morning and you know it's ready.
Really actionable feedback for all entrepreneurs. As long as you have great product taste, you'll know.
No, but trust your instincts. Like this actually is a really important thing. Like when you have sparse data, like you're a startup, you don't have a lot of customers, you don't have a lot of feedback, you do have to listen to your gut. And it is a really important lesson.
Yeah. I guess it actually is good advice. All the big things I've ever built is like, you didn't have data. Yeah, and like at some point you gotta go like, I can't wait for more data. We've gotta like start shipping this to people and see.
That's the thing about innovation. Especially if you're building something that no one's seen before.